try her again. Oh, oh, there's another little bass. There's another little one. Pick her up. Pick her up. Oh, she's got it. We made it. Got it. Little dinker. That was crazy, dude. I ain't caught a bass out of this little pond. Here's a good second. You guys can see him there. Just a little bitty large now. Nothing too crazy. Should be a 9-pounder one of these days. We'll get him back. Hey guys, what is up? It's probably been about 30 minutes since that video of me catching that small one. Right now I'm over here at the regular ponds, but me and a friend were about to go to the lake and fish off the bank, so hopefully stripers are actually busting. They were busting the last time I was over there. That was earlier this month, so we might get over there and capitalize on some striper. But mainly my attention, what I'm going to throw around over there is I'm going to fish some timber with this jig and fish some rock. But with that said, we'll see you when we get there. Little bitty one. He's better than nothing. A little bitsy largemouth. Y'all see her there. Let her loose there. There we go. Go catch us another one. But it's a little bitsy largemouth. I just seen something flash right there. Didn't look too big, but it still looked like a bass. I don't know what it was. You just kind of be stupid sometimes. Oh. Yeah, there was a fish, guys. I seen him go to it. Son of a... Let's try this again. I just keep pulling it out of his mouth. Yep. I got the old boy that time. It's nothing but a little spotted bass, but there's a couple down there actually. Because I seen one down there bigger than this guy. There he is, off the bluff wall. I kind of don't know how I'm going to get him down. Is it the guy that took my picture? I don't think so. But it's just a little fish. Goodbye. He's good. He went down head first. I got one down here messing with it. And he snagged, of course. Hey, let me call you back because I'm going to have to go down here and get this off. I don't know if there'll be a fish on it or not, but it'd be crazy if there is. So I had something messing with it. It probably got me hung up. But I'll call. I need to get this off. Oh! Holy crap, dude. I actually had a fish on there. Okay, guys, so in this situation, do not end up like I did. Do not be stupid and try to climb bluff walls. Basically, at this point in time, I literally almost fell off. So don't do it. Oh my gosh. That was a close one. Yeah. I think I'm ready to turn back. Especially after that. I ain't dealing with that shit. Summertime, the water's up. Pretty good spot to jump off, honestly. Got a long trek back, people. Okie dokie, 15 pounds of gear on my back and my rod. Shoot. Let's see if we can get back there. What'd you find?
Xbox One from the ground guides.
Good night. What the heck, dude?
Yeah, you know what it is.
That ain't crazy.
Got me a PS4.
I don't know about all that.
Trying to find the controller, but I couldn't.
Try to find the rest of the waters to go with it, huh?
Yeah. Gotta find the person to do it in there.